Yeah. Who on top right now? Top Notch NME. Best threads in the city. Make it hard to compete. Like MJ and 33. We trendsetters, that's a fact. Wake up and get racks. Then toss it all in the bag. It's high-end streetwear. Cop some merch and share. Whatever style you be looking for, Top Notch get you there. They pray to win like us, and we just going in like a thrust. If they talking about who the coldest in the city, point the fingers at us. We for men, women, and kids, and got accessories too. It's Top Notch and Top Shelf, and yeah, bro, we got shoes. The King Cobra high tops and Top Notch NME V2s. It's custom gear and custom merch, and now we just need you. Making boss moves in the D, pushing up on them in a Chevy. Drip game so saucy, it might just break a levy. T-shirts and hoodies, if you get it shot with us, fam. Time to upgrade your wardrobe to say cheese for the cam. The best threads you can find, they're certified like a dime. Now we living in a moment, came a long way, started with a grind. Made solid, that's true. The empire on the way, and we ain't worried about the few, cause it's Top Notch every day.